Artist E2 TV headphone use and troubleshooting. This video will show you how to use Artist E2 TV headset. Charging correctly. Please charge the batteries for about 3 hours before first use. The headphone must be turned off when charging. Place the headphone on the transmitter. Make sure the charger contact touches the charge pins on the transmitter. Note that the microphone is facing the front. Otherwise, it will not charge. Then connect the adapter to the DC in jack, the other side to your family electronic power. The charging process starts automatically. You will see the power LED indicator flash green, then turn to green. LED indicator of charging in red when charging. It will turn to green about 2.5 hours after the battery is fully charged. The duration of listening is 5 hours. Note: the blue LED indicator on headphone will flash slowly when battery level is low. Please charge the batteries as soon as possible. Excessive volume will cause hearing damage. Before using the headset, please adjust the volume of the headset to volume 4. After connecting to the audio device successfully, increase the volume according to your hearing. Connection. Before connect the transmitter to your TV, please check your TV output option, and please disconnect other audio output with your TV, like soundbar, which may affect the headphones working. There are 3 connection methods: 3.5mm AUX, RCA, and optical connection. Only headphone has some use 3.5mm connection normally. Both headphone and TV have some use RCA or optical connection normally. 3.5mm connection. First, connect the 3.5mm cable to audio in at the back of the transmitter, the other side to your TV 3.5mm audio out jack. Please note it is audio out, not audio in. Connect power to the transmitter. The base power LED indicator will bring green. Turn on TV and play sound. Turn on the headphone. The blue LED indicator will flash slowly. When headphones show blue and transmitter show green brightly, indicating the headphone and the transmitter are connected successfully, then you will hear sound. If no sound, please check your connection and ensure TV system is set to headphone and TV audio format is set to PCM. If the headphone LED lights green, please press microphone once. Changes to blue mean that the headphone switch to watching TV mode. For detail, please check the user manual. RCA connection. Connect 3.5mm cable to RCA cable. Then connect RCA cable side to TV digital audio out jack. Please notice it is audio out, not audio in. 3.5mm cable side connect to transmitter audio in port. Connect power to the transmitter. The transmitter power LED indicator will bring green. Turn on TV and play sound. Turn on the headphone. The blue LED indicator will flash slowly. When headphones show blue and bass show green brightly, indicating the headphone and the bass are connected successfully, then you will hear sound. If no sound, please check your connection and ensure TV system is set to headphone and TV audio format is set to PCM. If the headphone LED lights green, please press microphone once. Changes to blue mean that the headphone switch to watching TV mode. For detail, please check the user manual. Test. If no sound audio connect via 3 different ways, please follow below steps to test this item. Connect the transmitter to your phone via 3.5mm cable. Play sound. Then connect power to the transmitter. The LED light flashes green. Turn on the headphone. The LED light on the headphone flashes blue, then turns to blue brightly. The transmitter power light turns to green brightly, indicating the headphone and the bass are connected successfully. You will hear sound. If no sound, Ensure that the mains adapter is pushed fully into power outlet and that its cable is properly connected to the DC-in connector on the transmitter. Ensure that headphone power on-off switch is switched to on. Ensure a headphone has power. The charge level or battery inside headphone may be too low. Put the headphone into the transmitter charging. If transmitter LED indicator of charging show red, it means the headphone power too low, need charge for it. If show green, it means power fully. Ensure open phone music. Increase the volume both headphone and phone. If also had problem after you check it above steps, please contact us. We will replace a new set to you. If you can hear sound, mean that the unit works. You should contact your TV manufacturer for more details. Repair steps. If no sound and LED on the headphone flashes blue, it means that the headphone is disconnected with transmitter. Please follow the steps as below. Turn on TV and play sound. Disconnect transmitter power. Turn on the headset. Then press and hold microphone button for about 5 seconds. Then the blue light near the volume button flashes quickly. Turn on the transmitter power. The green indicator light flashes, indicating that it begins to identify the surrounding headphones. When the blue indicator light on the headphone becomes from quick flash to brightly, and the green light on the transmitter also brightly, means search matching is completed. Hearing aid mode. This function is for daily hearing. Help the elderly and the hearing impaired improve their hearing. In this mode, you don't need to connect with the transmitter. Turn on headphone. Once past microphone, the LED turns to green, and it means that the headphone is in hearing aid mode now. Wear it, you will hear all sound by your side. Troubleshooting. Surrounding sounds loudly, even hurt my heartbeat. In this case, you can see the headphone's LED light screen. It is hearing aid mode that will amplify all sounds, even your heartbeat and breath. Please press microphone once. The LED changes to blue. Headphones switch to watching TV mode. Only one side can hear sound. Please check the status of sound balance button. Turn to L. Left sound will be louder, and right sound will weaken. Turn to R. Right sound louder. The second reason for this problem is that the RCA cable is connected to the audio and video jack on the TV. It can only output one channel. Please connect to audio out jack. If also has problem, please use phone tags or try by optical or 3.5mm connection tags. No sound. Ensure that the mains adapter is pushed fully into the power outlet and that its cable is properly connected to the DC-in connector on the transmitter. Ensure that headphones power on/off switch is switched to on. The charge level of the battery inside headphone may be too low. Recharge the battery. Ensure that the audio device is switched on. Increase the volume both headphone and TV. Ensure connect cable plug into TV audio out jack, not audio in. Make sure the wire is not loose. Make sure TV settings are correct. If also has problem, please use phone connection test. The sound is noisy. Notice other wireless devices such as routers, TVs may interfere with the signal of the headset. Keep them away from the transmitter. If also has problem, please connect to mobile phone tags. After connecting to the headphones, only headphones have sound, but TV has no sound. Normally, 3.5mm AUX port only supports that headphone receives sound, while TV is no sound. Please connect via RCA cable or optical cable. Both TV and headphone get sounds. If still no sound, please see the menu for details about setting TV audio. If also has problem, you should contact your TV's manufacturer for more details. This headset will automatically shut down with no audio input or audio sound is too weak for 5 minutes. The headset will automatically enter the power-saving mode. You need to reopen the audio and restart the headset if you use it again. Feeling uncomfortable and sleeping, the ear can be adjusted to an appropriate angle. One pair of big and one pair of small earplugs for you to choose in the package. If you can't find the TV setting we instructed by following the step above, please contact your TV manufacturer. If you still have problems after via mobile phone connection, please contact us via email to describe in detail the changes of the headset and transmitter lines and your order number. We will solve the problem in your favor. Thank you.